How to fix Instagram story restyle option not showing. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device. Then search for Instagram, and if there is any update available, simply update your app. After you have updated your app, simply open Instagram by clicking on Open. Then click on your story at the top left. Then add the story you want to add, and at the top right corner of your screen, click on three dots. In here, you'll find Restyle option, and if it's still not showing up after updating your app, simply go to your profile. Click on your profile and then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you have clicked on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, in here, scroll down and click on Help. After you click on Help, simply click on Report a Problem, which is the first option. In here, you can simply add screenshot as well and type in as shown on the screen and press on Send at the top right corner of your screen. Instagram will get back to you and solve your problem within 24 hours. This is how to fix Instagram story restyle option not showing problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.